Amazon Polly is an AWS service that turns text into lifelike speech. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokchaDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 7 things about Amazon Polly in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Amazon Polly provides an API that allows you to quickly integrate speech into your existing applications. This creates an opportunity for speech-enabled products across various domains, such as mobile apps, cars, devices, and household appliances. Number 2, Amazon Polly includes dozens of lifelike voices and support for a variety of languages, such as Arabic, Cantonese, and Hindi. Number 3, you can combine speech marks metadata with the audio stream from your text. This enables you to synchronize speech with facial animation or to highlight written words as they are spoken. Number 4, you can choose from various sampling rates to optimize bandwidth and audio quality for your application. Amazon Polly supports MP3, Vorbis, and raw PCM audio stream formats. Number 5, with Amazon Polly, you can generate speech that resembles the delivery of a professional TV or radio newscaster. This can be incredibly useful for reading news articles or delivering flash briefings. Number 6, Amazon Polly supports all the programming languages included in the AWS SDK, such as Java, PHP, Python, and more. Last but not the least, number 7. As of this recording, you get 5 million characters for free per month for speech with the AWS Free Tier. In summary, Amazon Polly uses deep learning technologies to convert text into high-quality, natural-sounding human speech in dozens of languages with fast response times. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.